Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Today we are going to tear out this tub and get ready to put a new tub in, and we are going to get started with that now. Alright, so I got the tub out, the surround out. I was working on this drain, and it appears that my threads are shot right there, and I'm thinking of like cleaning that pipe down below and cutting this fitting off, but I'm going to run to Lowe's and grab one of those inch and a half threaded PVC fittings to see if I could get that to take with liquid Teflon. If not, I gotta take that fitting off, and that's gonna be no fun. So let me run to Lowe's and see if I could find one of those and see if I can make it work. If not, plan B.